Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Harmony price prediction and Harmony news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Harmony in 2022. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications, dApps. The network aims to take an innovative approach to running decentralized applications and focuses on random state sharding, which allows new blocks to be created in seconds. Stephen C. is the founder and CEO of Harmony. He holds a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania in cryptographic protocols and type theory. Upon graduation, C. became a research intern at Microsoft. In 2006, he began working as a senior engineer at Google and has been with the company for 4 years. In 2011, he founded Spotster, a successful search engine that was later acquired by Apple. In 2014, C. became Apple's chief engineer. He founded Harmony in 2017. The founding team of Harmony is made up of 12 people, 7 of whom are ex-Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon employees. Several news from the world of cryptocurrency, affecting in particular Harmony. Appellate court decision allows Bitconnect class action to proceed. The Superior Court has reversed a lower court's decision, making it possible for a class action to proceed against the promoters of one of crypto's most infamous scams. The 11th Circuit Court of Appeals has ruled that victims of the Bitconnect Ponzi scheme can proceed with a class action suit by reversing a previous ruling that prohibited such a case. Bitconnect is the endlessly memed initial coin offering from 2017 that collapsed in January 2018. Appellate courts are superior courts that are used to review previously tried cases, so the ruling may be reversed or confirmed. The alleged victims may now move forward with a class action case against Bitconnect, BCC, and its promoters Glenn Arkorow, Ryan Mawson, Treven James, Ryan Hydrath and Craig Grant. There is no word yet on whether the complainants will proceed with the case. The original complainants filed suit to be compensated for damages from being defrauded by Bitconnect and its promoters. The complaint says promoters made a mockery of state and federal securities laws. LAW 360 wrote on Tuesday that the defendants claimed in the Southern District of Florida that since marketing for the project was done using online mass communications platforms, they could not be held liable for securities fraud. In recent years, YouTube has removed videos and shut down channels related to cryptocurrency it deems harmful and dangerous. Russian stocks crashed 13%. The Russian stock index, RTSI, has lost another 21% today after one of the worst weeks in years as Russia's President Vladimir Putin seemingly crashes his own stock market. In just 4 months their stocks have lost 35%, from 1933 in October to the Middle Ages of 1207, as of closing this Monday. As can be seen above, we've recently seen one of the biggest sell-off, coinciding with Britain, saying Russia will be cut off the dollar and pound if it further invades Ukraine. We're going to stop Russian companies raising money on UK markets, and we're even, with our American friends, going to stop them trading in pounds and dollars, the British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said. That will hit very hard. Bitcoin is a bit up today, with some speculating maybe it's because these Russian companies are running to crypto to potentially keep open an avenue to trade. Russia's President Vladimir Putin has been piling up on gold since 2018, but you can't easily transfer that, especially digitally. While Bitcoin can easily move, however its conversion to fiat is a potential choking point. Another cause of what now looks like a panic in Russian stocks may be that calls are getting louder to impose sanctions on Russia preemptively. Lithuania has recently joined Ukraine in asking for just that, in arguments that may resonate in some of Europe, because some of the demands Russia's President Vladimir Putin has made are an insult and an affront to all of Europe. He has requested that Europe's security arrangement through NATO be denied to half of Europe, including countries like the Czech Republic and Poland, by asking for NATO membership to be rewinded back to 1997, something that further challenges the peace and security of the EU. He has also asked for European bases and troops, as well as American and any other NATO member, to be removed from all these countries, including Romania and Bulgaria. The equivalent of that, if it came from Europe to Russia, would be to ask for the Federation to be broken up, for Siberia, the Caucasus and other regions, to no longer have Russian troops, a demand that would send alarm bells ringing in Moscow, as it has in the Baltics, Poland and other European nations. The problem with putting sanctions now, however, is that a lot of these are not easily if then. Like if you cut Russian companies from Western markets, sure you can put it back on, if they remove the troops, but not without potentially a 70% crash first in Russian stocks. Likewise, if you're going to confiscate Russian-owned property in London, which may be one action United Kingdom might take, especially considering their security guarantee to Ukraine, it's not really something that you can then just give back, though you could, but these are very serious disruptive sanctions. Some, however, have already gone into effect, like the removal of golden visas for Russians to UK, because these are things that you can if then, as its effect is more continuous, rather than also containing the element of a sharp cutoff. Russian stocks are also plunging because Putin is not de-escalating, shooting himself in the foot in the process, because it isn't very clear what exactly he thinks he can achieve. The annexation of Belarus, to the great failure of the German civil service, would be one, but if so, why not close the matter off with the Biden summit, instead of pretending this small man is anything to fear? The United Kingdom alone spends more on defense than Russia. Just the UK alone can potentially ensure a pretty big defeat if he goes in. The only fear is more that of the German Foreign Minister Annabel Baerbock, who wore all black, but the security of Europe is not up for questioning, and even the raising of the matter is an insult to Europe. So he can enjoy his stocks crashing. Russian trade is less than 1% of Europe's GDP, which makes all this a non-matter economically outside of Russia, and a fool that is long past his time as ruler politically. Where the global asset of Bitcoin and crypto is concerned, it is also not clear just how much influence all this is having, as Russia is a fairly small economy of $1.5 trillion, and their median wage is $250, with it potentially adding some demand if Russian companies are going towards Bitcoin, but we'd be talking at a maybe $2,000 to the price. Hardly market moving, except potentially the speculative element, as front-running those companies maybe would be worth more than $2,000 to the price. Today we will discuss the Harmony price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. Harmony course forecast 2022. One has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Harmony, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 21 cents. One is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 21 cents. One rate prediction 2023. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Harmony will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2023, one is expected to peak at 30 cents. The minimum bet could go up to $0. 25 if the market turns bullish. Harmony price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Harmony could cross 43 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 38 cents. Harmony price prediction 2025 and 2025. With wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, Harmony price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach 63 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 56 cents with a maximum price of 63 cents for 2025.